Hello, I'm Dr. John Cuomo, Executive Director of Research and Development at USANA. In the past few years, maintaining digestive health and a healthy immune system have become top concerns for consumers worldwide. Fortunately, these two concerns can be addressed by the same solution, USANA's newest product, Probiotic Plus. I'm here today to tell you a little bit about what makes this product so fantastic. In simple terms, probiotics are friendly bacteria that are beneficial to our health. It may sound scary to consume bacteria as a supplement, but these healthy bacterial cells are naturally found in our bodies. In particular, the bacteria in our digestive tract, also called microflora, are critical to the digestion process. They aid in breaking down food or nutrients that we consume into forms that are easily absorbed. In fact, without these active, live bacteria, we wouldn't be able to digest much of the food we eat or obtain many of the nutrients we need to live. It is essential that we maintain a healthy balance of just the right bacteria to keep our digestive processes moving along smoothly. Any number of factors can reduce the balance of beneficial bacteria in the gut to negatively impact digestive health, including stress, illness, antibiotics and/or medicines, poor diet, low water consumption, lack of rest, and harmful environmental conditions. The effects of poor digestion can range from uncomfortable stomach upset to conditions that are potentially harmful to your long-term health. Probiotic Plus helps replenish the beneficial microflora in your gut to re-establish proper balance and aid digestive function. When your digestive system is working properly, your body is better able to absorb nutrients more efficiently, so that you can maximize the benefits of consuming essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants every day, which in turn can help you avoid nutritional deficiencies. In addition, a healthy digestive system promotes bowel regularity, another critical component of good health. But the benefits of probiotics go way beyond healthy digestion. Probiotics also provide significant benefits in the maintenance of a strong immune system. Estimates are that up to 80% of the immune cells in our bodies are located in the gut. Probiotics interact with and stimulate the immune system to help strengthen our natural defenses and sustain healthy immune function by promoting healthy bacterial growth. So a healthy digestive system and strong immunity are the reasons everyone should use probiotics. But not all probiotics are equal. The World Health Organization has defined a true probiotic as live microorganisms which, when administered in adequate amounts, confer a health benefit on the host. Most products on the market today fail to meet this simple definition. So what sets USANA's Probiotic Plus above the other probiotic products? First, Probiotic Plus is easy to use. The product comes in a mild, vanilla-flavored powder that you can take straight from the stick pack or simply add to any cold or room temperature food or drink. You will want to avoid adding it to hot foods or drinks though, as the heat can destroy some of the live bacteria. Second, Probiotic Plus lasts much longer than any pre-made food product. The stick pack is stable and keeps its effectiveness for 18 months at room temperature, and refrigeration can extend the product's shelf life even longer, which is especially recommended if you live in a hot climate. The most important difference that makes USANA's Probiotic Plus so much better than the other products is the quality of the bacteria used. Probiotic quality depends on several factors. First, does the product deliver bacteria that are still alive and viable? Second, are there enough bacteria to be effective and impart a real benefit? Third, will the strains of bacteria being added survive the harsh, acidic environment of the stomach to make it to the intestinal tract alive, and once there, grow and establish a healthy balance? And finally, are the strains clinically proven to provide a benefit? USANA's Probiotic Plus sets the standard for all of these critically important factors. Probiotic Plus uses a unique blend of two specific strains of probiotic bacteria that have been proven in hundreds of clinical studies to survive transit through the stomach, to establish robust growth in the intestines, and to support digestive health and immune function. Each stick pack is filled with 12 billion viable bacteria, a dose that has been proven effective, in a proprietary 50-50 mixture of Lactobacillus rhamnosus GG LGG and Bifidobacterium BB12. These two strains of bacteria have the documentation needed to meet USANA's exacting quality standards. With USANA's Probiotic Plus, you can trust that the probiotic you are using has been proven effective. Plus, it is made with the same commitment to quality, safety, and purity that you have come to expect from USANA. Each box of Probiotic Plus comes with a month's supply of stick packs. One stick pack should be consumed every other day, unless you feel that you need more. Everyone can benefit from using Probiotic Plus, but it is especially recommended for those who travel regularly, those who have been ill, or those with less than ideal eating habits. We are very excited about adding Probiotic Plus to our product line, as digestive health lies at the core of our overall health and well-being. I encourage you to try USANA's Probiotic Plus today and see the difference it can make in your health.